Hi everyone, tonight for supper I'll be making slow cooker pepper steak. What all goes into the slow cooker pepper steak? 2 pounds beef sirloin strips or sliced sirloin steak, or you can also use stew meat. I'm going the cheaper route. I'm using stew meat. 1 diced or sliced onion. 3 sliced or chopped colorful bell peppers. I was going to get a green, but this was a pack of 3 and I had 3 different colors, so why not? 3 minced garlic cloves. I already got the already minced stuff. 3/4 cup beef broth. 3 beef bouillon cubes. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 2 tablespoons honey. I hope there's 2 tablespoons there. I had it on my grocery list, but I forgot to buy it. 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. We can't hardly read that. 1 teaspoon ground ginger. Salt and pepper to taste. And 2 tablespoons cornstarch. So let's begin. Take your slow cooker, and I usually put in a liner of some sort, either a disposable or a silicone. Today I'm using my silicone one. Dump in your 2 pounds of sirloin strips or stew meat. And I've got stew meat and I cut the bigger ones in half so they'll cook evenly. Then dump your 1 onion, either sliced or chopped, and since my stew meat is cubed, I'm going to put chopped onion in there. And then the 3 colored bell peppers. I've got yellow, orange, and red. You can either slice them or chop them, and again I chopped them because everything else is chopped. Take a small bowl, mix together your 3 cloves of garlic. I have a little bit more because I like garlic. Your 3/4 cups of beef broth. The 3 bouillon cubes. And make it beefy with the beef broth and the bouillon cubes. And probably salty. I'm not going to add much salt. The 1/4 cup of soy sauce. The 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, the 2 tablespoons of honey, and I had just enough. Your 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and your salt and pepper to taste. Like I said, I'm not going to add much salt, but I like pepper, so I'm going to add. And of course, right before you serve it, you probably want to taste it again. The 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and mix that together until thoroughly mixed. Probably everything but the bouillon cubes. That's just weird because they're not going to dissolve in all this room temperature liquid, but they will dissolve as it's cooking. Then pour the mixture over the vegetables and the beef. And there's the 3 bouillon cubes. I'm going to just stick them right on. I'm going to stick them along down by the sides there so they can dissolve. Put your lid on. Turn it on to low and cook it for 6 to 8 hours, or high for 3 hours, or until the beef is tender. So here is the slow cooker pepper steak over a bed of rice. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Well, that's very colorful. Seems very hot. That's pretty good.
That is slow cooker pepper steak.
It's got a really, really good flavor to it. And it's very hot.
Is it hot?
It's hot. Not spicy hot.
Heat
Just
hot?
can't eat it now hot. Mm-hmm.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.